Hello, and welcome to a video tutorial for the IPA On-Demand Administrator Academies. The first step is to find and register for an on-demand academy from the web page on the IPA website. To access the list of on-demand academies, click on Learning from the top navigation and find the link for On-Demand Academies. The academies are organized based on the school leader paradigm for personal, social, and systems intelligences on the becoming side, and culture, systems, and learning on the doing side. Once you have identified the academy you wish to register for, click on the title and complete the registration process. After you have purchased the On-Demand Academy, you will receive an email from the IPA Learning Management System letting you know the academy is ready for you to begin. Click the link in the email and navigate to the IPA Learning Management System and sign in with the same email and password you used to purchase the On-Demand Academy. You will find the On-Demand Academy listed on the My Learning page after you get logged in. Hover over the Academy tile and click the link to begin. This will take you to the title page of the program where you can begin to work your way through the steps of the On-Demand Academy. You will need to make a copy of the course guide to complete the reflective activities and application dissemination. You will also be asked to participate in an online community connected to the On-Demand Academy. You will be automatically assigned to this community upon registration, and there will be links along the way to guide you to the community posts. You are required to complete this On-Demand Academy before June 30th on the year in which you wish to receive the Academy credit. If you have any questions or concerns throughout the process, please reach out to us at support@ilprinciples.org.